Join me as I try to boost my peak productivity with some crazy hacks. Can I really get more done in less time? In today's fast-paced world, staying productive is a constant challenge. We're always looking for ways to get more done in less time. And that's where productivity hacks come in. These are simple yet effective strategies that can help us manage our time better, stay focused, and achieve our goals. By leveraging the right productivity hacks, we can significantly improve our efficiency and make the most of our time. Distractions are everywhere, and they can derail our productivity in an instant. Social media, email, phone notifications, these are just a few of the many things that can interrupt our workflow. Procrastination is another major obstacle, often stemming from feeling overwhelmed by the tasks at hand. And then there's burnout, which can occur when we push ourselves too hard without taking the time to rest and recharge. We've all been there, struggling to stay on top of our tasks and feeling like we're just barely keeping our heads above water. These challenges can be tough to overcome, but understanding them is the first step. By acknowledging the common pitfalls that can hinder our productivity, we can start to develop strategies for overcoming them. One of the most effective productivity hacks is the Pomodoro technique. This involves working in focused 25-minute increments followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Another hack is to prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix, which helps you categorize tasks into urgent versus important and focus on the most critical ones first. Using a stop doing list is also incredibly helpful. This is where you identify tasks that are no longer necessary or that are wasting your time, and you stop doing them altogether. By streamlining your workflow and eliminating non-essential tasks, you can free up more time and energy for the things that truly matter. Time blocking is another game changer. This involves scheduling large blocks of uninterrupted time to focus on your most important tasks. By doing so, you can make significant progress on your goals without the constant interruptions and distractions. Automation can also save you a ton of time. Look for repetitive tasks that you can automate using tools like Zapier or IFTT and set them up to run automatically. The most impactful productivity hack, in my opinion, is the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This simple hack can help you avoid procrastination and get more done in less time. It's amazing how many tasks can be completed quickly, and by doing so, you can free up mental energy and focus on more complex tasks. The 2-minute rule can be applied to everything from responding to emails to making a phone call. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you stay on top of your tasks and make the most of your time. By implementing the 2-minute rule, you can also reduce stress and anxiety. When you know that you can complete a task quickly, you're more likely to take action and get it done. Over time, this can become a habit, and you'll find yourself becoming more productive and efficient in all areas of your life. To recap, we've covered some crazy effective productivity hacks that can help you boost your peak productivity. From the Pomodoro technique to the 2-minute rule, these strategies can help you stay focused, avoid distractions, and achieve your goals. By implementing these hacks, you can get more done in less time and make the most of your day. What are your favorite productivity hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about productivity and time management, check out my other videos for more insights and tips.